You remember sitting there on a rainy night in a well-used chair, telling me how well you used to dance. The western wind will come again and make you feel like you did when all those cowboys didn't stand a chance. You said this life took most of you, and it gave you twice and the day was through. You said it all turned out awfully fair. So tell me tales of all the times and all the seasons you got by, breathing in that cold November air when no one was there. When no one was there. When no one was there. Two kids by 23 and the sunsets you'll never see, 'cause you were yelling supper from the yard. And they grew old and sailed away, called you on phones from far away, wrote you novels on postcards. And all you ever wanted was to see your children fly, maybe one day in a pair of stars. But there ain't no leaving this small town this evening if you can't even drive your own car through November air. Through November air. Through November air. Dear Ma, how's it going? Was the weather fair last week? Dear Ma, they were wonderful, all the sights you'll never see. Dear Ma, if I could hold you, I'd grab you by the arms, tell you what it means. You could take a worthless poor boy from the flats and make him mean something. Tell us what you wanted to, and all we did, we needed you. Your dreams were too small to care. But I'm always reminded, if you look hard you'll find it. Memory gives warmth to right here. Through November air. Through November air. Through November air. Dear Ma, how's it going? Was the weather fair last week? Dear Ma, they were wonderful, all the sights you'll never see. Dear Ma, if I could hold you, I'd grab you by the arms, tell you what it means. You could take a worthless poor boy from the flats and make him mean something. You remember sitting there on a rainy night in a well-used chair, telling me how well you used to dance. The western wind will come again and make you feel like you did when all those cowboys didn't stand a chance.